Alright, sad boy stories. So I crashed a coupe. I was on the freeway. I was on the 105 heading towards Norwalk, pretty much back to the house. Tire popped, spun out probably like 4 or 5 times. The back of the car hit a Yukon. And I mean, luckily, me and my friends are alright. I mean, as you guys can see, the damage is pretty bad. Yeah, but after everything, car is totaled, motor was good. So this video is gonna be from the last meet that I went to with this car, and then from what we're gonna do forward. So stay tuned. Look at the shirt though. What the fuck is that doing over here?
I mean, I've seen them.
He's like, oh, imagine. The videos, yeah, man. I mean, honestly, the videos are only
Yeah.
Oh, I love blue pig. You want to go walk around out there?
I like that. Not a big fan, but these
I can give it this chunk for you.
Well, for the most part, I did my hair too. For the most part, it's pretty much everything. Couple sick Hondas. I mean, a lot of sick Hondas. But where are we at? We're in fucking like Almani or whatever. That car is so nice. It's like the same color my hair. Don't leave your girl around me, he might sue her. Shit out this window right now, I got no wiper. Girlfriend's calling.
Why'd you ask me, babe?
What's up, babe? I'm vlogging right now.
I said, why'd you ask me?
What do you mean? What I ask you?
Why did you ask me what time?
Oh, so I know I'm going home already though.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Just making sure. Love you, bye.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. And that was the last meet I have on video of me with the coupe. So these are videos of the crash. These are just videos that are obviously gonna be here to remind me of taking care of maintenance, you know. A lot of things could have been avoided, but a lot of things happen for a reason at the same time. So this next part's gonna be me picking up my next project, which is what we're gonna move everything over to. So let's watch. Bueno! Shit. Here we go. We in the fucking Hellcat, boy. Alright, so I'm pretty sure from the thumbnail you guys are gonna pretty much know what I'm on my way to go do right now. Pretty sure a couple of you know, like my friends know, whoever follows me on social media, what happened to the red Civic. But yeah, shit, thank God we're okay. Thank God me and my homies, you know, we're able to walk away from that. I spun out on the freeway, hit another car at the back of my shit. Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna grab all that stuff from that car, my crash Civic, move it over into another Civic. And I know I asked what should I get, whether it should be a coupe or a hatch or a 4-door. Shit. Honestly, dude, like I thought about it a lot. I like driving. I like cruising it with my friends a lot, and the coupe was kind of cool, but it was annoying when I had to have people come in the back or whatever. So I'm going with the 4-door. Shit, 4 doors for more whores. You already fucking was cracking. But yeah, right now I'm on my way to my homie PD's house. Him and the homie Mota, and then, well shit, let me shout out everybody for this one. Lewis, right here on the top, because he's the one that's selling me the car. Petey, he's gonna be the one that's gonna most likely help me put this shit together. And Mota, because Mota's helping me bring this car from San Bernardino over here. So shit, honestly, thanks to you guys for helping me out. I was able to get everything pretty quick, you know. Obviously, these are my friends. I've known these people. I mean, when you're in the Honda community, dog, everyone helps you out, dog. We all want to see each other win. I mean, we all trying to beat V8s and all that shit out here. So we'll do whatever we get to get another motherfucker rolling. Like another fucking Honda game right here, boy. Oh shit, about to miss this food exit. Dyslexic ass kid, look at this. Shut up!
Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, what are you doing?
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
Ooh, look at that long sleeve.
Big flags,
Big
homie.
well beans.
So how many shots are on me?
We're in fucking, you can hear all the birds.
Right here, my barrio, homie. Big or shot.
Can't even close the door. Bunch of Juans.
Oh, what the fuck?
Look at him, just straight fucking.
Camera Put a plug on your project. You're filming this whole content? You're doing a vlog for your new car?
Right now.
What do you do? You gotta come out hard this time.
That's why. Yeah. You guys didn't even get a fucking run because it rained, huh?
Hey, yeah, I dropped it off 1100, right?